Successful story of the Dabbawalas has inspired many entrepreneurs in their business. And now it seems like even business schools in Namma City want the Dabbawalas to enlighten MBA students about running a successful venture. Here's the report.
CEO of the Dabbawalas, Pawan Agarwal, was in Namma City to educate MBA students about running a successful business venture. He was invited by a well-renowned business school to enlighten their students about how the Dabbawalas became so successful with simple business ethics and moral values. The university feels there cannot be a better example for MBA students.
They deliver 2 lakh dabbas with an error-free concept. So I thought that is basically a supply chain and logistic management concept, and that has to be known to the students. They are so simple, and the policies and the systems what they have is really worth for an MBA student to go through all this.
When asked if the students could implement the strategies and modules followed by the Dabbawalas in the corporate world, the university said that it might be hard but not impossible.
Somebody should work hard, man.
It's very difficult to implement because they implement it, but then in the corporate world it will not be that easy to implement that. Maybe out of this entire lot, maybe one student gets motivated with this. I think so I've done my work.
The students who were present at this event were mighty impressed and felt that they learnt a new method of running a business venture. They claimed that more than the module run by the Dabbawalas, the moral values and simple ethics which they followed inspired them more.
They're trying to say that bookish knowledge will help you, yes, but there are people out there like the Dabbawalas, they're doing something without being educated, and whereas we have the knowledge, so we can reach heights. That was the main concept I got, and main concentration was on values like honesty, integrity and hard work.
The students also learned that a business's aim should not be just money. Pawan instructed every student that making relationships should be every venture's primary objective, and the money will automatically flow in.
Basically, you have to respect your customers. They are the main thing, and you're not going to do it for money. You're doing it for the satisfaction of the customers, and that's where you earn more money. So if your main motive is to earn money, the satisfaction is going for a toss, and you'll incur losses.
Among 10 Dabbawala, 1%.
Pawan Agarwal has done his PhD on the Dabbawalas. He recalls why he chose to study about the Dabbawalas in detail and what motivated him to learn about their business module.
You cannot deliver all over Mumbai. It is impossible.
When I started PhD, it took me 9 years to complete my research. But in couple of days only, I saw such a wonderful working system. I had decided I may not get PhD, but I should do research on this system. And see the result. Now I am the renowned international speaker.
Your father is busy in office.
He also went on to say that his purpose of coming to a B school was not talk about their business, but to tell the students about the moral values and ethics which has worked for the Dabbawalas for the past 124 years.
Like this.
My purpose was to deliver the students how Dabbawala working passionately, with commitment, with dedication, with 100% execution, with time management. And I believe Dabbawalas are the great administrator in this world, working in Mumbai last 124 years.
Dr. Pawan feels that the current generation has immense potential, and it is time they tapped it with the right attitude.
I feel today's youngsters, they are caliber, they are more potential, but if they do hard work, if they work for the customers, if they work for the community or society for the betterment, I believe their business will flourish, not grow, it will flourish.
Well, the students who attended this event were excited to understand the importance of humility in business. They thanked Dr. Pawan Agarwal for sharing his expertise and even went on to take selfies with him. The event was a grand success where the Dabbawala delivered more than just food. Vivek Vinayak for News 9, Bengaluru.